Okay, we're back for another video. This one will be a fun video. I got my grandkids helping me out today. Say hello.
Hello.
And we're going to be doing a dish called pot sticker stir fry. And we're just going to start with some ingredients again, like I did in my last video. You can go to the description link in the video and get the exact ingredient quantities that you'll need, and you can adjust those according to your own taste. I just give you an idea of some ingredients I use that we all enjoy for this particular recipe. So first of all, we're going to be using, instead of fried rice or just simply stir-fried veggies, we're going to use
ramen noodles.
All right, and we're going to use 4 packages, and we're just going to use a packet that comes with it, or half of that packet, for the seasoning. And then here's our pot stickers, and we're going to use cook 24 of those. Now, these are the first ingredients that we're going to start with. I'm also going to be introducing some veggies into this, different oils I'm going to be cooking with, along with some ingredients that we're going to use to be making a sauce, a stir-fry sauce. Instead of a stir-fry packet seasoning, we're going to do a sauce. So basically, we're going to go ahead and boil the noodles, and you just want to make sure those are broken up, or you can leave them in the bricks, whichever you prefer. And then our pot stickers, we're going to get those on the stove and get those done, and then we'll come back and show you the veggies and sauce ingredients. Okay, now we're going to get to our ingredients that we're going to be using. And usually you can use bok choy or Napa cabbage in this stir fry, but we're going to use instead
spinach, peas, onions, carrots, and bell peppers.
All right, and then also we're going to do some minced garlic that we have here, and then some grated ginger. And those will be the veggies that we're going to use in our pot sticker stir fry. Okay, the oils that I'm going to be using in this stir fry, for the veggies, I'm going to be using a sesame oil. And then after the veggies are done, to saute the rest of the items, we're going to be using olive oil. Or you can use canola or whichever oil you prefer. Again, look in the video description and you'll see the amounts of this that you need. And the servings for this dish is approximately 4 to 6, closer to the 4, I would say, depending on serving size. All right, and what are you doing, granddaughter?
I am stirring.
Stir frying the veggies.
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you go. And these are going to be all ready to go on our noodles and our pot stickers, and we're just going to make our sauce after this. My turn. Okay, finally, our last ingredients we're going to use to make our sauce. We're going to use a concentrated orange juice. And here we have some light soy sauce. And then this here we have some teriyaki sauce mixed with honey. And then we're going to use a little shot or 2 of rice vinegar. And finally, we're going to garnish it off with
seasoning, sesame seed.
Sesame seeds. Okay, now we're about to put our dish together. Pot stickers, please. What we'll do, this is the sauce. And we're just going to add in our pot stickers. And get those. Uh-oh. Had a little spoof there. That's all right. Okay. And then we're going to add in our veggies, stir-fried veggies. And if someone is not a pot sticker fan, just save some of the veggies on the outside for them to just consume a la carte. Okay. And there we go. Oh, this looks good, and it smells good too, doesn't it, kids? All right.
Smells good. Yep.
Okay, well, we're going to get ready to dish up and dig in. Okay, here's the finished product with our sesame garnishing, and So we have our stir fry veggies, our noodles, our pot stickers, and sesame seeds on the top. I will say that this is a bit of an orange, tangy type of sauce. So if you do not like, say, lemon chicken or orange chicken, I would not suggest this dish. It is a bit tangy, but you can always lighten up on the orange juice concentrate. That's the best suggestion I can give you, but it is tasty. And eat all of the ingredients together. That's another suggestion. If you eat this one item at a time, you may think it's a little overwhelming with the orange sauce. So, till next time, enjoy.